Hi, good morning. It is Monday, December 9th already. How about that? Last Friday, when we talked with you, we had lows of about 22 to 24. We had wind chill factors in the teens. And today, we could have a few spots approaching 70 degrees. Gotta love weather in Alabama. Let's talk about it. So that wild pattern continues here. Now we've got warmer temperatures, but you see that cold front back to the north and west. Eventually that will bring us some colder air midweek. For the time being, widespread rain. I'm going to go ahead and bring it into the regional view here because a lot of the state dealing with rain early this morning. We're seeing a bit of a divide here. If you're to the north of US 80, showers have tapered off. To the south, we're seeing a good band of showers and some thunderstorms stretching all the way back into southeastern Mississippi. We'll see these continue. Time now is about 10:20, so we will likely see showers come this afternoon. I did want to point something out, though. This is just an observation from watching weather in Alabama for about 10 years. Whenever you get north of a line of showers, thunderstorms, convection, the area north of there seems to get shortchanged when it comes to the amount of rainfall we get. So just something to look at. If you're in the northern third, northern half of Alabama, if this trend continues with rain to the south, we may see far less rain than our neighbors to the south. All right, current temperatures. How about this? 65 at Birmingham, Montgomery, 66 in Dothan. We very well could see some 70s later on today. What a difference just a couple days makes. At Birmingham, we verified the other morning at the last couple of mornings, 26, 27, 24. We've had some cold mornings, so this is completely different. Here's our setup today through Tuesday. We've got the upper level system track just to the north, bringing in a moisture feed of into the southeast, and that's going to give us those rain chances here as a front stays to our north and west. But as I mentioned, keep an eye out for the setup of the rain. If the heavier bands line up to our south, we may get left out here to the north in Birmingham and points further to the north. Let's go to our upper pattern look here. We swing into Wednesday, and you see this trough swing into place. So we know when we got a trough, there's usually rain preceding it. That's what we're going to get here Monday and Tuesday. And then Wednesday, the heart of the trough axis will stretching from Chicago down to about Atlanta. And this is going to be a cold afternoon. Highs for much of northern Alabama stay in the 40s. This is at noon. Let's go to Thursday at noon and watch how quickly we call this flattening out to a zonal pattern. When things go zonal, meaning it's moving from west to east, there's not a whole lot of colder air that's being wedged in here. And this trough actually lifts fairly quickly. By Friday afternoon, it's back to the north, and that'll mean a relatively nice rebound temperature-wise for us here in Alabama. So let's go first, our future view for the next couple of days, the Alabama view here. This is later on today, Monday at 3 o'clock. And once again, notice what I was just talking about. If the rain forms here, we have a lot of what we call training, showers and storms over one area or the other. Often this gets left out. It happens quite often. Models do not pick up well on it. But if that is the case, we could see far less rain in the northern half of the state. Let's go to Tuesday at about 6 o'clock in the morning, and once again showing the rain very favorable along and south of I-20. North of I-20, more spotty in nature, but we will have the moisture and what we call precipitable water. That is water available to fall as rain in the atmosphere. That will be present, so it's certainly possible. Front gains a little momentum late in the afternoon as that trough that we just showed you swings into place, so you'll have that upper air support pushing this front through. This is Tuesday at about 3 o'clock. Again, showing a lot of the rain to the south and east. And then Tuesday night, this model showing a really good push of rain from areas like Mobile up to Evergreen, Montgomery to Columbus, Columbus to Dothan, Dothan down to Marianna, and even the coast. That is Tuesday night into Wednesday. And then a few showers might be around early Wednesday. But we clear out quickly. We turn much cooler as well under a northwesterly flow. This will be swinging in by Wednesday afternoon. The coldest air will be aloft then, and then the coldest lows will likely be the following morning. So the rest of your Monday looks to be kind of cloudy, off and on showers. Tuesday's forecast, how about this? Now this is the Barron 3 kilometer 2 meter temperatures, and this is sometimes a bit aggressive with those numbers. I don't think we'll be 76 at Tuscaloosa, but we do have the potential for being in the 70s, I think, on Tuesday, which is just remarkable considering we were just in the 20s. Wednesday morning, completely different. That cold front swings through here. It'll become cold pretty quickly Tuesday night into Wednesday. Areas out in front of the front might actually be in the mid-50s at the start of the day on Wednesday. And then Wednesday afternoon, we are looking at temperatures topping out in the upper 40s, the northern half of the state right near 50 degrees for places like Demopolis, Montgomery, Troy, and Monroeville. Late week temps behind that front. How about 20s across central Alabama? Really, Birmingham to Huntsville will probably be in the upper 20s. We'll be closer to the freezing mark in areas further south, and just above freezing it looks like for Dothan, Mobile, Andalusia by Thursday morning. As I mentioned, it does not last for too long. Temperatures do indeed warm up as we head closer to the weekend. So let's pick it up there. Friday at about noon. Here's part of the reason we warm so quickly. That upper air trough moves away. Look at the circulation around this high. It's coming in out of the south, albeit southeast, but a southerly wind is always a warming wind for us. And it may come with some clouds, but it's always a warming wind, focusing on that warmer, more tropical air to the south. So that high gradually shifts away. That'll make way for our next frontal system that'll be moving through the southeast on Saturday. This is at 8 o'clock in the morning, and timing of this could change, but it just looks like a run-of-the-mill cold front, nothing severe with it, but once again, all-encompassing rain for the state. This is at Saturday evening, so if you have any plans, that could be for the Wiregrass. You want to focus on probably the early half of the day. Northern Alabama, we could have a little bit of a window early on. Again, timing of this could change, but it just looks like rain for us here. This sweeps through, and we'll see another shot of cooler air, but this is more seasonal. We will not see those 20s, I don't think, on the other side of this, and we should be dry by the end of the weekend. Beneficial rains between what's happening right now and late in the week, anywhere from 3 inches down in the Wiregrass. That's indicative of better rain chances tonight and tomorrow in that part of the state, versus about a ½ inch up in the Shoals over the next 7. We'll take it though. The rest of the state, everywhere needs rainfall. This is the drought monitor from last Thursday. We'll get the next one here in just a couple of days. A look at our temperature trends. You know, we're getting closer and closer to Christmas. I don't think we'll be having snow. What we will have potentially, as I go out to the 8 to 14 day outlook, this, this will never peg it, but it looks at patterns. And ridging across really the entire lower 48, this could mean above average temperatures well into Christmas. This would take us to about the 23rd. So still a chance that the pattern flips before Christmas, but warm weather fans, certainly looks like the middle of December will be warmer than the start. Let's look at your forecast for this Monday. Hope everybody has a great day.